What if you could create an entire song in minutes without touching a single instrument? This powerful AI music platform that can generate complete track from simple text prompt, write original lyrics, customize genre, moods and language, and even remove vocal with just a few clicks. Whether you're a content creator, music producer, or just someone who loves experimenting with sound, this tool opens up endless creative possibilities. Today, you are exploring OpenMusic AI. Let's see if this AI can take your music creation to the next level. Let's head down to. Now we are here at the OpenMusic AI platform. Now this is the site. The site is very simple. Once you visit the website openmusicai.com, very easy to navigate. You have to sign up, and the sign up link is in the description below. Once you sign up, you confirm from your email, then you are being directed to this place. It's as simple as ABC. You can create songs for Spotify, YouTube, and TikTok with OpenMusic AI music generator. Describe your sound, choose a mood, and watch it become a royalty-free song. You can see why choose us. 100% royalty-free, studio quality audio, all-in-one creation. You can see everything from orchestra adventure to study beat, piano relax music, smooth sax, festival drop, trap vibe, rain and nature. You can create any music now. So let's generate the music now. You click this. Let's see where it will lead us to. This is the dashboard. There it will lead us to. This is our dashboard where it will lead us to. So with this, you can see songs that I've created. Let's hear this. I created this. This is a bounce line which I use as background music for this. You can see. Let me see another one. You can see I created this. These are just instrumentals I created. It's just a simple response. So let's try one. Once you want to create an instrumental, you click only instrumental only. You see audio, you can put your lyrics at the same time. You can see inspiration, country, folks, rocks, blues, classic, disco, funk, emotion, just so many genres, so many type of music. And you can also see more. You can see the genre, you can see mood, you can see instruments, you can see ambience. You can generate any kind of sound with this. And you can also turn your photo to music as well. Right? And also write an awesome rap song. Let's describe the kind of sound we want. Let me say I want a instrumental only. I've clicked the instrumental. I want my mood to be let me put it inspiring, nostalgic, soothing at the same time. I might even type as well cinematic drum roll. Sorry, cinematic drum. Let's just try this. I click generate music. Just wait for some music generation started successfully. You can see it here. It has started right here. It started right here. It will generate 2 songs for us to select from any of the 2 to use.
A few moments later.
Of course, our music is ready. So let's test it. Let's hear what we just generated. Wow. This is nice. This is instrumental. Let's do the second one. It's also nice. Yeah, of course. Okay. And one good thing about this, you can download it. You can remix. You can still remix it to form a music video, the cover. You can extend it as well. You can also do an AI vocal remover on this same audio. You can also AI stem split this same audio. You can also use style and lyric. You can also replace some section in the audio. You can also have a mashup, and you can download as MP3 as well, WAV file, FLC. You can also have commercial license of this same audio so that you can use it across all streaming platforms, and so you don't have any issues. You can use it on YouTube as well. You have commercial license. That is when you upgrade your plan to a premium plan. Okay, and you can also have a PNG cover image that is going to be downloaded for you, like an artwork. You have it like an artwork. When the artwork that is being used can be downloaded for you. So let's try some of our lyrics. Let's put our lyrics. Let's choose the lyric. This is the prompt style. This is the lyric style as well. You can put your lyrics here. You can put your style here. Let me take one of my lyrics from ChatGPT. Okay, let me see. Let me use this lyric. Okay, I'm gonna put this lyric here. Let me see. Let me describe the style or mood. Let me put it. Okay, sad music. Let me put it gentle, and let me put it Afro beats. I am the blues. Let me just leave it this way. Let me see more if I can. Okay, moody, sad. Okay, instrument. Let me choose violin as well. Ambience. Let me say vocal, gender. Let me say male. Let me choose male. Okay. Title. Let me title my. Let me just. Let me generate this now. Let's see. The generator started successfully.
A few minutes later.
Okay, our music is ready. Let's see our hits, whether it's going to be a banging jam that we do on Billboard. Let's hear. Wow.
I tried to leave the light on,
It's nice.
just in case you turned around.
But
all the shadows
hear your comments about this song.
And now I'm burning out.
And type in the comment below how the song is.
My voice is shaking in the silence.
The melody is
You left behind,
somehow it doesn't equate to the lyrics.
but I keep singing to the smoke, hoping love is still.
Why we wait for the second one to generate? But this one is nice. At least with this you can see how to generate some OpenMusic AI. Let's move to another section. Let's go to the AI lyric generator. Okay. With this side, you can input your lyric. You can generate lyrics. Let me put my lyric title. Love is blind. This one has. Okay, let me put my lyric. Let me put that same lyric. 1.0 less than 1,000. Okay, let me put a prompt. I need. Is enter a prompt. I need let me see mood, sad, structure, versus style, R&B, language English. Let me generate a lyric. Let's see. If you can use this site to generate your lyrics and take it to the music section and make your song. Of course, our lyric is now generated. You can see. I can even take this right now, copy it, and go to the AI music generator. I can even generate music. Let me generate music. So let me use this and generate with this same style again. Let me see how the music will. But that will be that's for me. So let's move to another section. AI song cover. Okay, AI singing generator. Okay, you can have this. You can upload your music here and record and choose the gender and train an AI voice with this, and you can use it to sing with this. I'm sure with this you can use your voice. You can train your voice here. Upload your voice. You can record also from your device and train your voice and use it to sing as well. This is nice. AI song cover generator. Okay, you can generate cover of songs from people like Selena Gomez, Somber, Sam Smith, Rosalia, Rihanna, many more of them. You can see them: Camelo, Cardi B, Ed Sheeran, Bad Bunny, and the rest of this pop star, Bruno Mars, and the rest. You can generate song cover from them. You can just generate or just upload your music and generate the song cover. Okay, from there at the same time with your voice as well. And these are the singers, these are celebrities, these are animation. And then AI music video. Okay, you can also generate story music video, music visualizer, photo. You can use your photo to turn it into video. You can also generate singing video as well. You can see some over here. You can use them for your song promotion at the same time. Okay, and there's also the music edit section. You can remove vocal from audio. You can force them split, separate into 4 track, vocal, drum, bass, and others. You can also all detect text stems. You can get up to 12 separated instrument and vocal. You can see best free AI vocal removal. To move vocal from an audio, you can separate the same AI stem splitter at the same time. You can also do that. AI music mastering. You can master song with this as well. Okay, you can master song with this as well. Upload your audio. You can download this. You can upload a sample how you want a reference sample as well. How you want your mastering to sound like. And they also have AI media editor, AI audio to MIDI, BPM taper, and more other tools over here. So much. You can have noise generator, you can so many things. You have beat maker, pop music generator, K-pop, rock music, metal music generator. Everything is here with OpenMusic AI. All you need to do is just go to the just go to the pricing section with the link in the description. You can see it: starter, hobby, professional, and studio. You can see everything. Your FAQ is here, and start generating music, start generating lyrics, start mastering with OpenMusic AI. Is one short platform, all powered by AI. And that's OpenMusic AI in action. Now try it. Use link in the description below to sign up. And also, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more AI tools and creative tech reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.